Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. My name is Patty with JEA Properties, and today I want to bring you a really cool trick that I use. I want to share this with you because it's definitely been helpful for me and it's made my life happier since I started using these seat covers that I found on Amazon. And what they do is if you have like an older chair that are peeling or torn, the cushions are kind of old, whatever it is, if you want to give your dining chairs a nice update, this is the cover to use. I have one right here. I'm going to show you how I install them in my chair. It's so simple. It comes in like this stretchy fabric. Look at that. Like a really soft microfiber feel, very stretchy. Look at this. This is the opening. So these are my chairs. The original color of the chair is white, like this one. You know what, let me bring you closer just so you can see the damage that I'm talking about. Mine is kind of like, it has all these nicks and tears around it. It's peeling off because it's not real leather. Look at this, all the marks. Look at that right there. Okay, so I previously bought a pattern. This is the pattern that I first bought. And I actually just got, I have 8 chairs, but I got the 4-pack because I wanted to see if I really like this product. So I do, and I just bought me the black ones because it's a solid black. It's gonna go well with my kitchen. Look, the original color is all white. So now I have the pattern. I put the one in the back, black, and I wanna show you real quick how I put them together. So let me bring you, can you see me? Let me fix the camera so you can see how I'm gonna be doing this. Okay. Here's my chair. Look how simple this is. You're gonna just, it's like a slip-on. Slip and slides really, really easily. And it's much easier without having to hold a baby. But even like this, it's doable. And there it goes. Look at that. So this time of year, I know most of you are expecting relatives, family, friends over to your house. And if you want to update your kitchen or your dining room chairs, it gives it like a whole new look. It looks like brand new. Look at this. Like a brand new chair. So this is one of those inexpensive updates you can create for your own dining table. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna have one extra one. This is 2 of those. So let me do the other chair. And right there. You guys see me? It's so easy and simple. And then these are, I've washed these already a couple of times, and the, what do you call it? Like they're still looking great. It doesn't fade. The color did not fade after I washed it and dried it. They still look good as new. One hand. That's how easy it is. So there we go. Now we're all good and set to go. We're ready for Christmas dinner, New Year's party. Look at that. Ta-da! It looks so much more, like it's just so pretty now. So there it is. This is the pattern. Because this has black in it, I was like, it'll go great with it. And the table is black already, so look at that. So this is a way to just give it a nice change. They have so many different patterns and colors. The link to this product will be down below. And that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. If this was helpful to you, let me know in the comment section. Bye-bye.